As a mom, I admit that I can sometimes be a little overprotective of the family. It's just that I want to make sure everybody stays safe. And call me crazy, but I think walking around our own home, inside or out, shouldn't be a dangerous proposition. So when I found the perfect tile from Daltile, and it also had StepWise technology, everyone was relieved. The fact that it provides slip resistance above and beyond standard tile in the kitchen, the bathroom, by the pool was enough to put my mind at ease. But when I found out it didn't have residue and was still easy to clean, I was sold. But you know what else makes StepWise so different? The patent-pending technology is actually infused into the surface of the tile during the manufacturing process, which means it'll never wear away, even in high-traffic areas. I thought, sounds great, but does it really work? So I had to see for myself how the superior gripping power of StepWise results in sure-footed steps. It turns out that StepWise technology provides a dynamic coefficient of friction that's among the highest in the industry. So, you don't have to go overboard protecting the family. Indoor, outdoor, wherever you want the beauty of tile and require sure-footed safety, choose StepWise.